Atlas Copco's PTE, the yellow box that handles the toughest jobs with flying colors. This box is built to last, whatever you throw at it, because every element of the PTE was designed to be reliable under the most challenging conditions. For one thing, it's built on a sturdy base frame that can be picked up from all four sides. You'll never be pressed for place again. Extreme climatic conditions? The PTE has high-performing cooling fans and its water-cooled drive is IP67 rated. Bring the heat. The PTE won't break a sweat. Its rugged canopy is ready for a life on the road. That means the PTE can be deployed in a heartbeat, serving your compressed air needs under all circumstances. Atlas Copco's PTE. When the going gets tough, this box gets going.